Good morning, guys. This is Brian, aka Texas Treasures, bringing you my weekly What Sold video. I make these videos to help you find out what items you can sell for good profit on Poshmark, eBay, and other platforms. These are items I pick up at garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, flea markets, storage unit auctions, all these beautiful places, and I sell them for profit online. I make these to help you know what you can sell also for good profit. So let's get straight into it. Now keep in mind, I start these from the lowest to the highest price, so make sure you stick around all the way to the end to find the best treasures you can find while you're out there to make the most profit. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate if you smash the like button, that helps out my channel. And feel free to comment below with any questions, comments you might have. Alright, first up, now And I want to keep it real with you guys, right? Not every item you pick up is the best item. Sometimes you make mistakes, especially early on when you're learning. So I like to keep it real. That would be this right here. I have a pair of Asics Jill Flex 4. I don't know what in the world I was thinking when I picked these up. They were beat up. The top of the toes were messed up. They had no insoles. Golly, what was I thinking? Anyway, they finally did sell. I had these for months and months and months for $10, leaving me a profit of $2.75. Not the best flip ever, that's for sure. But you know, here's the takeaway, right? Win or learn, win or learn. What did I learn from this? When you have some inventory that you made a mistake on, just get rid of it. Take it, get your money back, put your money to work on new items. So, you know, it's okay. We're gonna all make bad purchases here and there. Alright, moving on up the ladder. Here we have a Poshmark sale. This is from one of the storage units I purchased. We have a Nike Women's Just Do It long sleeve t-shirt. Picked this up at the storage unit. Sold it for $12 on Poshmark, leaving me a profit of $10.36. Okay, next. Pair of Levi's 514, also from a storage unit. By the way, if you'd like to see some of my storage unit videos where I buy abandoned storage units and I go through there digging for that treasure and finding lots of clothes and other interesting things that will sell for good profit, then check out the playlist. All right, these sold for $17 on Poshmark for a profit of $12.60. Levi's will sell well, so jeans are a good category to be on. Speaking of jeans. Hold on one second, need a little coffee. It's early Sunday morning. Yesterday we spent all day, we're here in Dallas at the Dallas Convention Center. My daughter Emma, she's an 8th grader. They're in the National Cheerleading Association. So I spent all day downtown supporting my daughter as she cheered. And this morning they go back, they qualified for the second day. So we're gonna be caffeine up after this video. Gotta go out there and support my daughter. Anyway. Here we have a pair of Wrangler. Let me get the sip real quick. What would you do without coffee? Comment below. How do you get started in your morning when you're tired? Coffee, caffeine, what do you do? Anyway, here we have a pair of Wrangler men's straight leg blue jeans. These sold for $19.54 on eBay. That does include shipping. I do charge for shipping on eBay, leaving a profit of $10.92. Also from a storage unit. Alright, you can see a lot of these storage unit flips, guys. Here we have an Under Armour cold gear, and it is cold, right? Early February. So if you're not listing those cold gear items, those jackets, you know, you need to be doing it now before spring when you move to the warmer months. We have a hoodie, it's fitted, sold for $20 on Poshmark, leaving me a profit of 15 buckaroos. Alright, you can see a lot of these storage unit finds, guys. Here we have another pair of men's jeans. This is 4 denim men's straight jeans. Zip fly. By the way, notice the descriptions over here. I use Sellhound. I take the pictures, I post them to Sellhound. They fill out the rich title, the rich description, and they send it back to you. You review it. It saves you time. It's basically like hiring someone. It saves you time, and time is money in the reselling business, guys. Anyway, these sold for $20 on Poshmark, profit of 15. Jeans. All right, here we have an eBay sale. A pair of Adidas Climacool men's Firebirds. track pants, white with the elastic waist, mesh zip pockets. Sold for $23.95 on eBay, including shipping. This was also from a storage unit. Net profit of $18.63. Moving on up. Once again, stick around to the very end, guys. We're only going up in value. Find out those best items. And one other thing, check out Thursday. Thursday night, we'll be going live doing the reseller roundtable. Episode 2. My friend Clay should be here. We're going to be talking about reselling live, probably about 6 p.m. Central Time. Check it out. All right, here we have another storage unit flip. These are Buffalo by David Bidden men's Parker denim shorts. These sold for $24 on Poshmark, leaving me a profit of $18.20. Remember, guys, Poshmark takes a 20% fee off the top. They make the accounting part real easy. Okay, another storage unit item, guys. This was from my Nike unit. These are a pair of brand new Nike women's Celso thong sandals. They're purple. This is new dead stock, which means this unit had about 100 pairs of brand new Nikes, and some of them from like 20 years old, dude. 20 years old, guys. That's pretty awesome. And these have been selling real quick. Anyway, these sold for $24.95 on eBay with shipping. Profit of $15.97. Notice the pure white background. I get that. Using Photo Fuse, it's an awesome app. Look at it compared to the regular ones I take in my Lightbox. The Lightbox does give you good pictures, but Photo Fuse takes you over the top. And I will link to this. I will put a link in the description to the Havoc's Lightbox I use. It does give you really good pictures. All right. Moving on up. Next, we have another storage unit flip. This is a pair of Nike ThermaFit men's training pants, gray in color. These sold on Poshmark for $25, leaving me a profit of $19.20. It was pretty decent week for sales, by the way, last week. How were your sales? Comment below. How did you guys do with your sales? What was your best flip of the week? Your bolo? Like to hear from you guys what's selling out there. I like to share with you. But I also like to hear from you. What should people be looking out for? And you might find your item listed in the Bolo Buzz on Thursdays when we do our reseller round talk. Here we have another Poshmark sale. These also were from a storage unit. 7 for All Mankind. These were women's flare jeans. Sold for $25. Net profit of $19. These were $28 on the waist, $29 on the inseam. Make sure you get those measurements, guys, in your listings, especially on women's clothing. It'll save you time because people will ask for measurements all the time, and it can be a beatdown. So, go ahead and give them those descriptions. It'll help you sell quicker and avoid some of those return emails and comments. All right. Another storage unit flip, guys. It's sold on eBay. New dead stock. Nike Boys Junior Get Out Slide sandals. Midnight navy blue. Sold for $27.95, including shipping. Profit of $19.15. Obviously, Nike does very well. As we see another one of those sandals, the Celso thongs. We sold for $32.94, also on eBay. Leaving a profit of $24.38. I believe, if I remember correctly, this person actually bought 2 pair, so they did get a discount. When you sell multi-quantity on eBay, you do have the option of giving them a discount, right, to encourage them to buy more than one. I encourage you to consider that if you're doing multi-items. So these sandals are flying off the shelves. All right, now here we have a Poshmark. Now this item I actually sold before on Poshmark, and it was returned. And most of the time, Poshmark is really good about not accepting returns. I don't even remember why. I was really upset when they allowed this return. There's nothing wrong with these. The size was correct, everything was correct, but returns are just part of it. And I'm scared like Poshmark may eventually go the way of eBay, which goes the way of Amazon, allowing customer returns. But don't fret on it. I just relisted it and it sold within a week or 2. So these resold for $50 on Poshmark. These are pretty cool. These are Coral is the brand. They have the zebra pattern. They have the cross up here. Really unique pair of boots. Cowboy boots sell well. You know, we're here in Texas, so we find lots of them. And these made a profit of $35 on the resale. So don't worry about the returns too much. It's just part of business. Don't get caught up on it. All right. Now, by the way, this week, you know, obviously we had the tragic news of Kobe Bryant, his daughter, and all the people that died in that tragic helicopter crash. You know, that's heartbreaking. I've been a lifelong basketball fan. I've coached basketball for, 12, 13 years. So basketball is dear to my heart. And Kobe Bryant, and I'll be honest, he wasn't my favorite player of all time, but I respected him so much. He had that competitor's heart. You know, he was ruthless. And I loved hearing things like how his daughters kind of softened him up later in life. Seems like he was a really good dad. And, I was even reading an article. I'm getting a little off topic here, but, I think this is worth talking about. I was reading an article yesterday how he went to a church service. He was Catholic, and he went to a service that morning with his daughter before the accident. So, sending prayers out and wishes to the family. Heartbreaking. But, life does go on. And as far as a reseller, you have to be aware right now, Kobe gear is really hot. Kobe gear, Lakers gear. So if you have that stuff, it will sell now. Well, now, like it wasn't selling before, it'll sell even quicker and better. And I did have these Nike Kobe 11s promo shoes. I used to do retail arbitrage. I've dabbled in a lot of things. Picked these up at Ross about a year ago. Size 17 and a half. These are some giant shoes, and they've just been setting. And with a Kobe tragedy, everything Kobe is selling right now. These did sell for $55. I accepted an offer on Poshmark because I've had them for so long. At a certain point, like I said earlier, you just gotta unload this stuff, recoup your money, even if you're not making much profit. I only made $5 profit on this, and I'm keeping it real with you guys. Not everything's a home run in reselling. That's why I keep this real. Get that money back and put it to work on new inventory, right? Getting that cash flow coming back to you is crucial. All right, moving on. Here's another storage unit flip. This was also an eBay sell. That new dead stock. These are very rare. You can't hardly find these. These are the Sunray 3, and there's that 9-digit Nike model number MPN 187002-471. I couldn't find any of these listed on eBay, guys. And the price reflected that. They sold for $62.94, leaving me a profit of $51.40 on the storage unit. I think I paid $100 for, and that's made me several hundred already. That's it, guys. So here's the weekly sales recap. We got $450 in sales, average sale price of $28.14. That's 16 items, profit of $292.56, margins of 65%. Once again, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, comment below what was your flip of the week. Wrapping up this video, gonna go watch my daughter cheer. Send good wishes below. Let's cheer on Red Oak Junior High to the Nationals, and we'll see you later, guys. Happy treasure hunting.